Hi everyone, this is Karen with Cali Chic Baby. Thank you for joining us. Today, Kyoko will show you the between post half double crochet stitch and how to make a 5DC bubble in contrast color neatly. Both are used in the Cotton Candy Baby Blanket Pattern 160. The yarn shown is Paint Box in Candy Floss Pink and Paper White colors. Kyoko is using a Clover Soft Touch 4.5mm hook. The Cotton Candy blanket body is made entirely of half double crochet stitches in between the posts with cute 5DC bubbles in a contrast color. Okay, let's start. Chain 2 to begin row. Note, for a standard half double crochet stitch, you will insert your hook here below the top loops. The between post version goes here. Yarn over, insert hook between posts. Yarn over, pull back through. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. First between post, half double crochet done. Again, don't insert here, but here, between post. Let's repeat. Yarn over and insert hook between post. Then complete a half double crochet. Kyoko will now continue, but at a quicker pace. Kyoko is moving to the first 5DC bubble stitch location. We are ready to add the contrast color bubble. Insert hook, yarn over, pull up loop, and stop. Bring white yarn tail in front of your work. Bring in new pink contrast color yarn. Grab the pink yarn with yarn over. Pull through all loops on the hook. Now we can start the 5DC bubble with pink yarn. For the bubble, we will insert the hook normally as shown. Yarn over and insert hook, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook. You have 3 loops on the hook. You have 4 loops on the hook. You have 5 loops on the hook. You now have a total of 6 loops on the hook. Bring the pink yarn tail in front of your work. Pick up the white yarn tail. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Continue with the half double crochet between posts. Now, tug the bubble yarn tails a little to tighten. The 5DC bubble will look like this on the front side. Then you will continue your row until next bubble. Cut your bubble yarn tails to leave about 6 inches. We will show you how to clean up neatly later in this video. Kyoko will now show you how to crochet the next row across the bubble. First step is to look behind the bubble. Notice the white and pink loops. Start half DC under the white loop. Yarn over and insert hook. Complete half double crochet. Next, make half DC under the pink loop. 2 half double crochet complete crossing the bubble. Continue your row, making half double crochet between the posts. Kyoko will now show you how to clean up the bubble tails so that back side is as cute as the front. First step is to tie a single knot with the 2 tails. Then tie a second knot. Pull snug, but don't break the yarn. Next, thread both tails onto a tapestry needle. Insert the tapestry needle from the back through the bobble center. Then, pull the yarn through, again snug. While pulling the yarn taut, cut close to the bubble. Push the ends in a little, and that's it. Here is the completed cotton candy blanket. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more or get this pattern, please visit our website or pattern link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos we post. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.